How to lock and unlock recently deleted photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. As you can see, from here, if you tap on Recently Deleted, the album opens without any security prompt. To lock this album, go to your phone settings. Scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, scroll down the list and tap on Photos. Here, you will find an option called Use Face ID. Tap the toggle to turn it on. This will require Face ID or a passcode to view the recently deleted albums. Now, return to your home screen and open the Photos app. You will now see a lock icon next to the hidden and recently deleted albums. To unlock it again, go to your phone settings and turn the Use Face ID toggle off. Again, go to the Photos app, and the lock icon is not visible anymore. When you tap on the recently deleted album, you will be taken to the album without authenticating with Face ID or your passcode. Following these steps, you can easily lock and unlock the recently deleted album on an iPhone.